What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kadeja, and in today's video we're back with another wig install. So for today's video we will be working alongside LUVME here. They sent over this lovely 12-inch elegant brown ombre glueless unit, and I love how this turned out. Today I'll be showing you guys how to install your glueless units using only one product and still get that natural flawless look at the end. So if you're interested, go ahead and check out the video and I'll be back with my final thoughts. So this is the wig we're installing today. This is their 12-inch ombre brown loose wave glueless unit, and this is it. The wig comes fully customized already, and it already have the adjustable strap on. So what I'm about to do now is to apply a little bit of foundation to blend the lace with my skin tone, and then we just put a wig on. It is a simple grab and go 5-minute install. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on. So this is the unit. Super pretty. I love the dark roots. I feel like when you have a colored wig and it has dark roots, that it just blends better. It seems way more natural, way more realistic, and I just love the dark roots on this unit. This is their ombre brown unit. It is super pretty. Loving how it's looking already. So the only product I'll be using is the Fantasia liquid mousse. Got it on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. But yeah, this is the only product I'll be using. So what I'm about to do now is to cut the lace off, and then we just apply this around the hairline and then style our unit. Again, it's a 5-minute install, so this should be super easy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my curling iron to push my hairline back. I want to make sure there is no flyaways underneath the lace when I'm installing it, so let's go ahead and do that. So I started using my curling iron because I realized that it works way better than the hot comb most of the time, and also because it heats up faster than the hot comb. So I'm just taking my time. The next thing I'm about to do is to cut the lace off. I will be using a small pair of scissors. I feel like it's so much easier to handle. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. I'm cutting the lace. I'm going to be going in a zigzag motion across the lace until we're finished. That will give it a more natural look at the hairline as opposed to just cutting it in one straight line. So I'm just going to be going in a zigzag up down motion. So once I cut the lace off, I realized that there is no track for us to hide, which is even better. Like, I love when I get a glueless unit and it doesn't have that track at the side. Like, look at it. I can literally put it anywhere on my head and it still gives me that really natural look. Super pretty. So the next thing I'm about to do is to apply some of my Fantasia liquid mousse around the hairline. So I'm just gonna spray it on the end of my tail comb and then just press it in there. Go ahead and tie this down. So now let's go ahead and style the unit. I will be using my Samnite wax stick. So now I'm about to apply some of my BioSilk Silk Therapy just to give the unit a little bit more sheen, especially because it is a colored unit. You want to add a little bit of serum in there to give it a little bit more shininess, a little bit more moisture. and I promise you it will make your colored unit super pretty. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply a little bit of serum to mine. So I will be applying some of my Latte Body Mousse to get my curls. So let's go ahead and do that. This is the finished look. Curls are super bouncy. I love how this transitions from black to brown. It really gives us a really natural look. I love the fact that it lays like it's glued, but it is completely glueless. Like the lace just melts into your skin. The fact that it is a 5-minute wig, but it looks so good after it's finished. I really love the outcome of this unit. It's just blended so good. It's definitely a 10 for me. This is the perfect glueless colored unit. I love how natural the roots are. Like, this is just perfect. Leaving the link down below so you guys can purchase. This is the final look and I love it. Let me know in the comment section how you feel about this unit. I feel like it deserves a 10 because it lays great, super pretty. Love how natural it turned out. This is the final look. So this is where I'll leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys in another video.